Hey, Trey Veston here, and I'm doing a quick review of the Ranger Point Precision Cloverleaf fiber optic sights installed on my 1894 Marlin and 357 Magnum. Just picked these up, and they are beautiful. Great quality, great design. It's more of a ghost ring aperture in there, and it's got the fiber optic inserts, and they're adjustable for windage and elevation. And I just adjusted the elevation a little bit. Hopefully that'll bring that up to impact, point of impact. Um, yeah, my thoughts on these are they're perfect for a bush rifle, and that's what this thing is designed to be. It's to be thrown in the Jeep and on the ATV and put into action, and short shots under 50 yards. Sights are perfect for that. Precision isn't quite as what I'd like for target shooting, but great for a handy little extra rifle. So yeah, I like them, and they're 115 bucks directly from Ranger Point. I recommend them. I think they're cool. I'll have to see what we can do about upgrading the front sight as well, and I might get one of their stocks because this Ruger made stock is beautiful, and I don't want to bang it up in the Jeep. So we might upgrade these stocks and turn this into a more functional Jeep and rifle. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and Trey Veston out.